warm burrata salad with the tomato caviars, and then we have a basil oil crumble. So the basil oil crumble, the oil I'm going to make it like a soil, so it will become like a solid. Then cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese, we just gratinate on the top of it, so it will get warm. Then with some olive dust, and then some microgreens. So it's like I'm taking like a 5 ml of basil oil. It's 5 ml of basil. I'm going to add a malto sec. Malto sec is nothing but paprika flour. So malto sec, I'm going to add to it. So once it adds, it's absorb all the liquid and it will become a solid one. So it's edible. There is no such thing. So it's not edible. It's edible. Come like a crumble. So this I'm going to use as a garnish, like a crumble. What I'm going to do is just adding a balsamic. Normally, so you go. I have some burrata cheese. I'm going to add some tomatoes to it. Tomatoes, if you want, you can marinate with the pesto. A little bit of this is a sun peach tomato. This is a normal cherry tomatoes. On top of it, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Now, just to make a warm, then now just melt the cheese. You get a little smoky flavor to it. That's it. Add a little bit of a crumble. This is the basil crumble. The oil become like a solid. Then here we have a tomato caviar. Some microgreens. Some edible flour. Then some olive dust. Here we go. Warm burrata salad. Thank you.